The year 1975. The Vietnam War ends after 30 years with the occupation of Saigon by the communist forces of the Viet Cong. In the US, Bill Gates and Paul Allen found the company Microsoft. At the Thriller in Manila, Muhammad Ali defends his world title against Joe Frazier. And with the new 3 Series, the most successful model series begins for BMW. It lies at the heart of the brand, the epitome of a BMW, the 3 Series. The 3 Series is the prototype of a sports sedan, million seller and character actor. No BMW offers more driving pleasure than the 3 Series.